So this is simple program to print mark sheet of students using list, tuple and dictionary. Okay. And here what is the outcome? If you see this, physics, chemistry, math is the input variable. Input variables are in yellow. Total equal to physics plus chemistry plus math. This is algorithm. Average equal to total divided by 3 and decide the grade. Okay, inputs variable physics, chemistry, math. Output variable total average grade. Clear? Eh? So we take the input for only physics, chemistry, math, and we take student name as the input. Student name as input. Clear? Eh? Yes or no? So let us run the code. I run the code now. Okay, I run the code. That's it. Enter student name. I enter my name, Balaji Shetty. Physics marks suppose I have 78 marks, chemistry marks suppose 89 marks, math 90 marks. Wow. What happened? Physics marks, chemistry marks, math mark. Okay, total 257. Total tuple 257. म्हणजे काय? I have created this total using tuple data structure. Total dictionary. I have created this total using dictionary data structure. And this is the total using list data structure. List data structure. Clear? This is the average. This is the grade. Clear? This is the output of your program. What is the program? Let us be ready for the program. Student name. Enter student name. Okay. Enter physics marks, chemistry marks, math marks. Okay, I have done typecasting int. For integer, there is no typecasting for string. Clear? Next, wow, what a great syntax. Marks tuple equal to opening round brackets, closing round bracket, physics, chemistry, math. These are the variable physics. Same for tuples. This is the tuple which denotes opening round bracket. For list, opening square bracket, physics, chemistry, math, mark list, mark tuple, dictionary, mark dictionary. These are the variable names which saves list marks, tuple marks, dictionary marks. Okay. As in dictionary, there are key value pair. Key value pair. This is a key value. Physics key value 20. Chemistry key value 20. Math key value 20. This is a key value pair. What is the key here? Physics, physics, chemistry, math. This is a key value pair. म्हणजे काय? हे फिजिक्स काय करावं मला? दिस इज फिजिक्स. हे जे आहे ते तुम्हाला इथं टाकावं लागेल ॲज इट इज. इथं हे फिजिक्स असं लिहावं लागेल. हे काय? केमिस्ट्रीचं हे असं लिहावं लागेल. कॅपिटल केमिस्ट्री. हे जे आहे कसं आहे? केमिस्ट्री. ओके. अँड दिस इज मॅथ. MATH. क्लिअर आहे? दिस की व्हॅल्यू नाऊ. समजलं नाही? समजलं? ग्रेट. चला पुढे जाऊ. नेक्स्ट काय करायचं? टोटल इक्वल टू सम टपल मार्क्स. मार्क्स टपल. मार्क्स टपलचं सम म्हणजे सम ऑफ फिजिक्स प्लस केम प्लस मॅथ. समजलं नाही? समजलं? येस ऑर नो? और आय कॅन राईट मार्क्स टपल 0 प्लस मार्क्स टपल 1 प्लस मार्क्स टपल 2. दिस इज अनदर वे. क्लिअर? येस ऑर नो? ग्रेट. नाउ आय वॉन्ट टू डू सम फॉर टपल. So total tuple equal to marks tuple 0, marks tuple 1, marks tuple 2. Clear enough? Marks tuple 0 for physics, 1 for chemistry, 2 for math. Great. समझलं? Next. Dictionary, total dictionary equal to key value pair. Marks dictionary is the data structure name. Marks dictionary physics will give me the physics marks. Yes or no? Will give me the physics marks. Marks dictionary chemistry. Chemistry will give me the chemistry marks. Can you check this chemistry? Yes or no? Mark dictionary math. Mark dictionary math. In this way to denote. Will give me the math mark. Clear hai? आणि हे सगळे काय व्हेरिएबल आहे बघा, फिजिक्स व्हेरिएबल, केमिस्ट्री व्हेरिएबल, मॅथ व्हेरिएबल. ओके, these variables are assigned in this tuple, list, dictionary. Very simple syntax. समजलं नाही समजलं? yes or no? Next, total dictionary equal to काढलेला आहे. I have printed total dictionary. It is total tuple, total dictionary. Average equal to total divided by length of tuple. And this is a formula for grade. If average, this is the average variable. If average greater than 90, grade equal to A. If average greater than 80, B, like that. I got all the grades. That's it. And finally, mark sheet of student name. Okay, if you see the output of this program, what is the output here? Output is, see, mark sheet of Balaji Shetty, marks tuple, mark list, okay, mark dictionary. Can you see this? Yes or no? This is the tuple, physics, chemistry, math. This is the list. This is the dictionary. समझलं? Total, average, grade. But this is the program only for list. Calculate the grade using list. What about tuple and dictionary? काय करावं लागेल सांगा मला? व्हेरी सिम्पल, खूप सिम्पल आहे. इथं काय करावं लागेल? Average tuple equal to total tuple divided by 3. That's it. Average dictionary equal to total dictionary divided by 3. That's it. And write the total. Average total greater than 90. Like that. Write the code. Same for dictionary. Write the code. That's it. समझलं नाही समझलं? So this is the way. Mark tuple, mark list, mark dictionary, total, average, grade. समझलं? But one thing is there. Here, suppose I want to create structure member for total average grade. म्हणजे काय? इथं काय आहेत माहिती आहे का? Only there are 3 members for tuple. What about total average grade? समजलं नाही समजलं? डिक्शनरी मध्ये किती आयटम्स आहेत सांगा मला? Only 3 items. I want to create total key, average key, grade key. Clear आहे ना? तर कसं करायचं? Wow, great. See the program. I have created a program for this. This is a very beautiful program. Just check this program. Same code. Student name equal to, enter student name. Physics mass, chemistry mass, math mass, total, average. See the syntax. Average. Calculate the grade. Now I have calculated total, average grade. Only one line. See the beauty of Python. That's it. Can you see the beauty of Python? What I have done? Total average grade in the tuple, total average grade in the list, and total average grade in the dictionary. That's it. And print the values. That's it. Print the values. I run the code. See the logic magic now. Enter student name. I write Dr. Balaji Shetty. My name. DALAJISHETTY. Physics mass. I got 92 marks in physics. In engineering, I just note down this. These are real marks. Huh? These are my real marks in my 12th. 12, 92, 93, 94. Okay. So you can see marks tuple, physics, chemistry, math, total average grade. Mark list, total average grade. Mark dictionary. What is the difference? Difference समजून घ्या. This is very beautiful code. The difference between previous code and this code is here total average grade are the members of the data structure. For tuple, this is the member. For list, this is the member. For dictionary, this is the member. समजलं? And in previous code, पहिल्या code मध्ये, if you observe in the previous code, okay, I again run the program one more time and see the output. I enter my name again, BSS, physics mass 92, chemistry 93, math 94. See the difference, physics, chemistry, maths, list, dictionary, that's it. समझलं difference काय? This is very beautiful program. Today I request you execute this code on your own. You will get lots of error. Again do it, because in next lecture we will see how to pass list to function. In next lecture we will see how to pass dictionary to function. In next lecture we will see how to pass tuple to function. And this is a program for a single students. What about n students? Clear away. For that I have to use for loop. For that I have to use function. So what I have to do? I have to call the function only for input, function for grade, function to print. That's it. Three lines of code. Using function, this program will become only 3-line code. Function for input, function for total average and grade, function for printing the result. That's 3 lines of code. And from that you will see all the scattered dots. तुम्ही आता पण जेवढं काय शिकलात ना, लूप शिकलात, if else शिकलात, for loop, if else function, लिस्ट सगळं त्या प्रोग्राम मध्ये आहे. क्लिअर आहे? ओके, थांबूया आपण. थँक्यू.